timing is crucial for successful astral projection. Early morning, around 5 a.m., is ideal because your body is already relaxed from sleep and your brain chemistry is primed for an out-of-body experience. At this hour, melatonin levels remain high, keeping you calm, while cortisol begins to rise, providing alertness. This balance helps you stay conscious as your body falls asleep. Historically, mystics and shamans have often practiced during the Brahma Muhurta, the period before dawn considered spiritually potent. If mornings aren't your thing, avoid late nights when fatigue leads to sleep. Instead, aim for a time when you're rested but not drowsy. Consistency is key. Train your body to wake early by going to bed earlier. Remember, the goal is to enter the hypnagogic state, the bridge between wakefulness and sleep, without losing awareness. Your environment directly impacts your ability to project. Create a space that feels safe and comfortable. Typically, your bedroom works best. Remove distractions, unplug phones, turn off notifications, and dim the lights. Consider using blackout curtains to block early morning sunlight. Some practitioners add elements like calming scents, lavender, soft music, or a journal nearby. The key is to signal to your brain that this is a sacred time for exploration. In ancient Egyptian and Tibetan traditions, practitioners would prepare their meditation spaces with specific rituals to enhance focus. You might also want to keep the room slightly cool, as warmth can induce sleep. Ensure your bed or mat is supportive but not too soft. By optimizing your environment, you reduce the chance of interruptions and create a consistent trigger for your subconscious to enter the astral state. A cluttered mind hinders astral projection. Before attempting, clear your mental slate, resolve conflicts, finish pending tasks, and practice forgiveness. Stress raises cortisol levels, keeping you in beta state and preventing the theta waves needed for projection. Ancient yogas emphasized pratyahara, withdrawal of the senses, as a prerequisite for higher states. Modern research shows that mindfulness meditation reduces stress and enhances brainwave flexibility. Try a 10-minute gratitude journaling or breathing exercise before practice. Also, reduce exposure to news and social media. Information overload fragments attention. Instead, immerse yourself in astral projection literature and discussions to fuel your desire. Desire is a powerful energy. Cultivate it daily. Visualize your goal vividly and affirm your intention. Remember, fear is normal. Acknowledge it but commit to proceed anyway. Many beginners report vibrations or strange sensations. These are signs of progress, not danger. Astral projection requires shifting from beta, waking, to theta, 4 to 8 Hz brainwaves, the state of deep relaxation and dreaming. Beta dominates our daily problem solving. Theta is where out-of-body experiences occur. To achieve this, you must relax deeply while staying mentally alert. A simple technique: lie down, breathe slowly, and progressively relax each body part from toes to crown. Imagine your body sinking into the mattress. Historically, monks used chanting or drumming to alter brainwaves. Today, we have scientific tools. The hypnagogic state, the transition to sleep, is your gateway. You'll feel heaviness or floating. Don't resist. It may take 30 to 45 minutes without aids, but with practice, you can shorten this. Accept that timing varies. Forcing it creates tension. Instead, adopt an attitude of allowing. Some people use the wake back to bed method. Wake after 4 to 5 hours. Stay up 30 minutes, then lie down again, which naturally boosts theta. Brainwave entrainment is a powerful tool for beginners. These audio recordings use binaural beats or isochronic tones to guide your brain into theta state within minutes. Scientific studies, like those from the Monroe Institute, show that entrainment can synchronize neural activity, reducing the time needed to reach altered states. Simply put on headphones, lie down, and let the sounds do the work. You don't need to focus, just allow. Many apps and YouTube videos offer free theta tracks. Combine entrainment with your relaxation routine for best results. Some users report immediate effects, others need a few sessions. This method removes guesswork and provides a reliable anchor for your practice. Historically, drumming and chanting served similar purposes. Modern technology simply refines the approach. Remember to use a comfortable volume, not too loud. With regular use, your brain may learn to enter theta on its own, even without audio. Once relaxed, use visualization and affirmations to initiate projection. Imagine yourself floating upward, or picture a rope above you and mentally climb it. Another technique: visualize your astral body rising like a mist from your physical form. Affirmations like "I am now out of my body" reinforce intention. In ancient Tibetan dream yoga, practitioners visualize their consciousness leaving through the crown chakra. Modern projectors often use the roller coaster feeling, imagine the sensation of dropping or rising. The key is to engage your senses. Feel the movement, see the room from above, hear the silence. If you encounter vibrations, don't panic, they signal the separation process. Gently guide yourself with thoughts, not force. Some people find it helpful to repeat a mantra like I am aware, I am free. Practice patience. It may take several attempts. Keep a dream journal to track progress and notice patterns. Fear is the biggest obstacle for beginners. Sensations like vibrations, loud noises, or seeing your own body can be startling. However, these are normal signs of the projection process. Historically, cultures worldwide have described similar experiences, from the Egyptian Ka to the shamanic journey. Understanding that you are safe reduces anxiety. Start with short sessions. Even a few seconds out of body is success. Build confidence by celebrating small wins. If fear arises, remind yourself that you control the experience. You can return instantly by thinking of your body. Practical tip. Before attempting, set a clear intention to remain calm and explore. Some use a protective light visualization. Over time, fear diminishes as you gain experience. Remember, astral projection is a natural ability. You are simply remembering how. Join online communities for support and share your experiences. With persistence, you'll move from fear to wonder.